What if nature is not silent but speaking to us every moment? Teachings of Mother Nature. Poet Wansoo Kim invites readers to listen to the voice of creation itself, captured in this unique collection. Teachings of Mother Nature. A bilingual poetry collection reflecting how words carry knowledge, emotion, and will, revealing nature's voice and the Creator's message. Meditation and Prayer. Each poem comes from a humble heart seeking wisdom in creatures shaped by divine intention through reflection and prayer. Through leaves, winds, light, and living beings, these poems reveal creation's hidden meanings through grace, not pride. An invitation to reflect. Slow down, reflect, and rediscover the sacred messages that nature writes into the world through this poetic collection. Teachings of Mother Nature by Wansoo Kim is available now on Amazon Kindle. Poetry inspired by creation and wisdom whispered by nature. Find your connection with nature's voice today.